Home Remedies presents
Over 60? Drink this to increase blood flow in legs fast. Hello and welcome. Over 60? Poor circulation triples your fall risk. But here's the truth. One simple drink can restore blood flow to your legs in hours, not weeks. Today I'll show you the exact remedies, how to prepare them, and the benefits you'll feel almost immediately. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Why circulation declines after 60? After 60, your blood vessels produce 70% less nitric oxide. Nitric oxide keeps arteries relaxed and open. Without it, vessels stiffen, narrow, and blood struggles to reach your feet. This leads to cold toes, cramping, nerve damage, and even hidden microclots. The solution? Certain natural drinks that rebuild nitric oxide levels and open your arteries fast. The top remedies. 1. Beetroot juice, the king remedy. Ingredients: 4 medium beets juiced, or 8 ounces pure beetroot juice. Dosage: 8 ounces every morning on an empty stomach. Benefits: increases blood flow by 30 to 50% within 2 to 3 hours. Warmer legs, reduced cramping, improved walking endurance. Long-term, reduced arterial stiffness, better nerve function. Notes: may cause harmless pink urine. Avoid if you have kidney stones. Score: 10 by 10 effectiveness. 2. Hibiscus tea, affordable and fast. Ingredients: 2 hibiscus tea bags hot water. Dosage: steep for 10 minutes, drink twice daily, morning and evening. Benefits: improves blood flow by 31% in 10 days. Reduces blood pressure, relieves cramping and numbness. Notes: use stevia for sweetness. Consult doctor if on BP medication. Score: 8 by 10. 3. Celery juice, nitrate powerhouse. Ingredients: 4 to 5 large celery stalks juiced. Dosage: 16-ounce glass, empty stomach in the morning. Benefits: boosts blood flow by 35 to 40% within 3 hours. Warmer feet, less heaviness in legs. Notes: taste is salty or earthy. Requires a juicer. Score: 8.5 by 10. 4. Arugula Smoothie, SuperCharged greens. Ingredients: 2 cups arugula, 1 cup blueberries, 1/2 banana, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Dosage: blend and drink immediately, 3 to 4 times per week. Benefits: improves blood flow by 42% in 2 weeks. Reduces cramping, warms feet, improves skin texture. Notes: requires consistency and fresh greens. Score: 9 by 10. Implementation plan. Morning: 8-ounce beetroot juice, empty stomach. Afternoon: hibiscus tea or celery juice, pick one, stay consistent. Weekly boost: arugula smoothie 3 to 4 times per week. Timeline of results: 3 days warmer legs. 1 week cramping diminishes. 2 weeks improved walking ability. 1 month circulation dramatically improved. Critical mistakes to avoid: don't mix with food immediately, wait 30 minutes. Don't use mouthwash right after. It kills nitrate-converting bacteria. Don't expect overnight miracles. Full healing takes weeks. Don't stop prescribed medications without doctor's advice. Don't buy processed sugar-loaded versions. Pure is everything. Commit to 30 days of beetroot juice every morning. Track your progress. Notice the warmth, the reduced cramping, the improved endurance. Take a photo of your legs today and another in 30 days. You'll see visible changes. Your body isn't broken. Your diet is. Fix the diet, fix the circulation. Start tomorrow morning. 8-ounce beetroot juice, empty stomach 30 days. Your legs, your mobility, and your independence will thank you.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.